Hi, this is Andy with TEC. We came across a TAC 32 modernization. This is a fresh modernization from 2023 that was done by ThyssenKrupp, or TK Elevator now. And it was over Dover DMC 1990s equipment. You have a TAC 32, which is TK's version of a non-proprietary controller, and it does have onboard diagnostics. So has a soft start, you can see that. And it also is a good controller, a new pump unit system, and a submersible pump unit. The car top has some other upgrades that were done. The biggest upgrade is the Whittier door operator. And we noticed that nothing else was really done on the car top other than the door operator system and the new electronic safety edge. So the Omega rails obviously were kept, but they also kept the original slide guides. And then when we go to the hoistway side, the hoistway doors, those are also kept. So the door equipment. So your pickup rollers and everything else, they did add a Spirator. But the rest of the door equipment, the hangers and the tracks were all kept. In the pit of this job, we have the original piston from the 90s from Dover, which is fine to keep. We usually would keep the piston unless there's a problem with it. But the rest of the equipment, it looks like they had a cleanup here at some point in time. You have what I call the cleanup pads, or the diapers, what I would refer them to. One is still a little oily. They probably, speculation that they blew a packing sometime during the modernization, during the load test, and cleaned up. But the pit looks relatively clean. You have new stop switch, and you have the lighting that are all code compliant right next to the ladder, so the mechanic can work safely. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the elevator consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.